What is going on, everybody? Today is a special day, only because I finally got an exhaust for my car. Long story short, I was able to trade somebody some wheels for an exhaust and you know, some money on the side. But point is, I got the exhaust, and literally I already took off the exhaust in my car, so my car has no exhaust. But I got a lot of family at home right now, so once they move their cars, I'll be able to park my car over there, and we'll be able to install that right now. Here is the exhaust actually, and so we literally took that one off ourselves, me and my dad. The other Mazdaspeed3, it was pretty nice. Like when I turned it on, it actually sounded really nice on the other one, but that one didn't have anything done to it. So hopefully with mine, with everything that's set up the way it is, it'll actually sound even better. So just to look at the way it is now, there's just nothing down there. There's no exhaust whatsoever. So it's super loud right now. You can't really tell, but it's just there's nothing back down there. So when I move it, I'll turn it on. It is I haven't turned it on all morning, so it will be a cold start. It's probably gonna be loud as hell, but hopefully when I put that on, it'll sound really nice the way I want it to. And that's about it. That's all I needed, and I was kind of happy when I came across that that exhaust. And it was actually a car that was traded in, and my friend owns a dealership, and he had it on his lot, and I just asked him, I was like, hey, I'll put my exhaust on that one if you let me have that one. He was like, yeah, it's fine. And also I gave him some wheels too for it, so kind of even trade, gave me some money on the side, and deal worked out just fine. So I feel blessed right now that I was able to get that exhaust, because that's all I really needed for this car, was just an exhaust. It's gonna have to be a little sketchy the way we install it, just because of the fact that we don't have lifts or nothing like that, so it's gonna be jacked up to the nines. I don't recommend doing this at home unless you really have the equipment to do it, but just try your best if you do plan on doing something like this. But I'll skip 2-4, and once everyone moves out the way, I'll be able to show you guys, and hopefully it'll sound nice today, so I'm kind of happy. What is up, guys? So today I actually am recording a different day, just because of the fact that my battery died on my camera, so I left it charging, and I didn't even just bother to come back to record again. So I was like, you know what, I'll just record another day. So basically, like I said, I got the exhaust on, which I'll still, you know, that all will be in there. It's pretty nice, and I'll go ahead and turn it on now so you guys can kind of hear what it sounds like with the cold start. It's not obnoxious, but it's still pretty nice, and it, like, you know, just has that nice roar to it, which is what I wanted originally when it came to this exhaust. So eventually now I'll just probably have to tune it later on, and let me go ahead and turn this car on. So it's actually really nice when it starts up. So now it's actually a little bit more warmed up, so it's a lot, you know, a lot more quieter. But I'm about to head out, meet up a couple of my friends. They want to all wash their cars, so we're just gonna go eat. We're gonna meet up at a gas station real quick, QT, and then we'll just probably head over there, and I'll get some shots of what they're driving too, and probably clean mine too, because it's not that bad. I actually watched it the other day, but it's just been raining a lot lately. So if I do need to freshen it up, I probably will, just a bit. But yeah, I'll do some shots of just riding out, so you guys can kind of hear it a little bit. Alright guys, so I'm almost at the place, but I kind of wanted to record just a little bit more so you guys can kind of hear it's actually when I'm driving it. So I have the windows down. Hopefully it's not too much wind noise or anything like that, but it's a pretty smooth exhaust. So I mean, I think it sounds really nice. I'll try to do some pulls to see if you guys can really hear it, but Alright guys, this is probably going to be the end of my vlog for today. I've been going left to right. I haven't been able to record much, but I wanted to end this video now. I'm about to head out to a couple meets tonight, and I'll just post it at the end. I'll post as whatever I can at the end. I'll post a couple races as well. Just let me know if you like that still, and I'll keep posting more races as I can. Usually just let me know what you want to see, because almost everything races. So I'll try to get a clip of everything. But we're about to head out to the city actually, and I'm about to meet up at my boy's house first, and once everybody's there, we'll head out. I'll see you there.